Hello there, welcome to Genessis Models. My name is Baldwin and welcome to this vlog for the 2nd of June. We do have a nice competition coming up later on in this vlog. Just to let you know a few things that we did this week. Well, first off, we did launch this. This kit is, you know, pretty amazing actually. It is the Ming FA18 Super Hornet. It is in 1/48 scale. Done a nice inbox review of this. Do recommend you go check it out. I am really wanting to do this kit. I might actually go off and do this as an advanced step-by-step. When I mean advanced, I normally only try and do like maybe 2, 3, 4 episodes, and I kind of cover just the advanced stuff. I do like to build these and finish them before I release the video, so it's probably going to take me a bit of time before you would actually see that, but fingers crossed that will come along. So yeah, really cool kit. Really do recommend you go check that out. I also did, going on a bit of a Super Hornet kind of week, I also did academies. Now this is in 1/72 scale of the FA18F, which is a 2-seater version. Again, very cool kit. You know, these are, you know, sort of kind of fairly new-ish tools. So this one was 2016. The Ming one was 2000, I think it was, or 2002. One of them, pretty new anyway, but yeah, really cool kit. So if you're into your Super Hornets, there's a nice couple of inbox reviews for you to go check out there. So yeah, competition for this month, for June, I'm going to be giving away this one. Yes, I thought I'd try and get a couple of ships in just to do some inbox reviews. I haven't done an inbox review of this yet, but it is the Oliver Perry class frigate. Now this is by AFV Club and it is in 1/700 scale. I kind of don't recommend it. You'll have to watch the inbox review of this. I kind of don't recommend it for a good reason. I'll let you find out in the inbox review. But yeah, this is going to be our competition prize. Now, to be in it to win it, as always, you are all automatically entered into this competition. All you got to do is have a account on the Genessis Models website, and that could be the free accounts or the subscribing accounts. It doesn't matter, you're all automatically entered. But if you are, say, a paying member, a fighter pilot, you get your hat thrown in twice, and if you are a fighter ace, you get your name thrown in the hat an extra 3 times, so you get more of a chance of winning. Just to say thank you for supporting Genessis Models. And I'll go off and I'll do a random number generation program counting down our database, and whoever I come to, I will announce the winner next month in one of our vlogs. So that's our competition for the month of June. Now we have got, almost broke a little bit there. We're moving along with the Apache. I haven't quite got this edited up yet. I'll have it probably maybe at the end of the day or Monday at the latest. Now, as you can see, we have got the cockpit all nice and done. I'm just test fitting it at the moment just to make sure all our canopy fits rather nicely, but we have that cool sort of holographic rainbow effect on the front part, the front and top part of our canopy, which looks rather cool. I wish I kind of like installed it on the inside. I think it would look better on the inside. A few people have commented and said, you know, there's a few more advantages to doing it on the inside rather than the outside. Wish I kind of did that way, but there you go. But yeah, cockpit is all nicely done now. Go check that video out when it goes up. And I do like how it's sort of lots and lots of blacks going on in there, sort of dark greys and tire black kind of colors, and then you put the washes on them, different washes, and it's just brought out lots of different kind of shades of black to kind of make it a little bit more interesting than just being a flat black cockpit, kind of technically the way it is. All those different blacks kind of really sort of brings that together. So that is that. I should be starting in the rotor section as well, just inside there, and hopefully kind of bringing it together sometime kind of soon, which then we can kind of really sort of crack on with it with the cockpit out of the way. So next week we're going to be, I've got a load of nice new tooled inbox reviews to do as well. Some really cool kits, some from Ming, We got the Hurricane Mark 1 by Hobby Boss as well. That one looks rather cool. Ming's I've got a Phantom in there. I'll try and get as many done as I can, but yeah, loads of new inbox reviews on the way. Moving along with Apache, and you know, fingers crossed I might get started on this. I might kind of show a bit of the progress in the vlogs as we go along until it's actually released as a full advanced step by step. But apart from that, that is it for the vlog this week. But as always, until next time, my name is Bobby Waldron's Genessis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.